Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two photo editing platform, which is Canva and VSCO. So let's get started with a breakdown about these two platforms. Canva continues to lead as all-in-one design and content creation tools, offering everything from social media templates to presentation, videos, and AI-powered tools. While it does include basic photos editing features like filter, cropping, background removal, and its strength is in design flexibility, branding tools, and easy drag and drop layout creation. Canva is perfect for marketers, small business, and anyone who wants to create polished, professional looking graphics fast. And talking about VSCO, on the other hand, is still one of the most popular photo editing app for artistics. It offers high quality film like filters, precise adjustment slide, and a minimalistic editing interface that appeals to photographers and creators who care about tone, mode, and visual consistency. While VSCO doesn't support full graphics design or template like Canva, it excels in color grading, preset, and fine-tuning image styles, especially for Instagram word edit. And here's a overall conclusion about these two platforms. So choose Canva if your focus is on creating complete design, branded content, or visual for business and marketing. And on the other hand, you can pick VSCO if you want a cinematic photos edit and pro level filters and a creative control over image style. So for graphic design, Canva win, and for artistic photo edit, VSCO is the best choice. And that is. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.